Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
How are you? Good afternoon. Welcome to my session.
Yes. Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm exceptionally well, and I am in the spirit, in high spirit, actually.
Oh my God. Why
So,
so?
yes, ma'am. Yes, because I have the session with you.
Oh my
That's
God.
why.
It's my pleasure, ma'am. It's my pleasure. It means a lot. Okay.
Yes.
How have you
I'm
been,
on
ma'am?
cloud nine also.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. How have
What
you
about
been?
you, ma'am?
Yes, I'm exceptional well. And you can say I'm supercalifragilisticexpialidocious nowadays today because of
Yes.
I
Yes,
because
ma'am.
of
I want
I
to say.
met yes because of I met the one who is from Orissa. And that Bhubaneswar.
Yes. Yes.
So I'm so happy and
Yes.
elated today, actually. Well, finally, I got one colonel from Orissa, that Bhubaneswar. Okay. Okay. Okay, ma'am, as we
Yes.
are meeting
I'm
very
also
first time.
thrilled on the same topic. Yes,
Yes. As we are meeting
I
very first time.
introduce myself first.
Yes, 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 yes. Yes, please. You introduce
Yes,
yourself.
yes, yes, ma'am. I am Banita. I am Banita. I am from Odisha. Actually, I am a homemaker and blessed with two children. Currently, I am living in Bhubaneswar, that is the capital city of Odisha, and we are also known as City of Temples. So about my qualification, I have done MA twice, BEd, and CTET qualified as well. And
Wow.
actually, about my hobbies, I like to read newspaper, watching news channels, on and playing badminton, driving car. Yes,
Oh, that's
there are.
great.
I think there are a plethora of hobbies. Yes, and I like stitching, dancing as well.
Okay, that's great. Your plate is full of stuff, and you are lovely to know about you actually really. I'm
Yes,
so happy to know about yourself. You know the stitching, you know the driving, like you are a all-rounder, isn't it?
yes. Actually, ma'am,
Yes.
I want to spend my time productive and meaningful way. I don't want to sit idle.
Oh, that's great. That's great
So,
actually.
ma'am, please, yes, please let me introduction. Give
Yes,
your
yes,
latest introduction.
yes, yes, of course. Yes, as you know, my name is Dipti and I'm from Odisha. I'm blessed with a daughter. I have done my master and I'm a proud homemaker. And if you want to know my hobby is listening music and doing yoga exercise. And nowadays, I am enjoying a lot with reading. Reading is my one of hobby. That is pretty much about myself.
Yes, ma'am. Reading is very good actually, and when we read, we feel relaxed and think that we are using quality time actually.
Yes,
So
yes.
nowadays, I also passionate we about to learn this English language. So I
Mm.
practice with co-learners.
Okay, that's great. But ma'am, I have one question that what the thing inspired you to learning this language?
Yes, actually, ma'am, earlier, few years ago, that time I got an opportunity to be a KVS teacher, contractual teacher.
Okay.
So, for 2 terms. At that time, I was no doubt in English medium. I attempted so many exams, but I
Mm-hmm.
unable to speak. So in that is Hindi and English medium. I able to speak in Hindi, but not in English. So that
Okay.
inspired me a lot. And after that, I tried to be a regular in KBS exam, and I
Mm-hmm.
prepared myself. And
Mm.
for interview, so English is very necessary. So I tried my best, but unable to speak. First I listening conversation videos through. Nowadays it is very easy because through social media we aware of it and we get so many things. So I listen, then I
But
got a
ma'am,
free group.
sorry for my intrusion. Sorry for interruption, ma'am. Actually, but how do you
Hmm.
know this the exact path? Like you are the right path or not? You are the. How do you know this? I just listening the conventional video podcast. How do you know this?
Actually, ma'am, when I searched it, where there is a will, there is a way.
Way
So always I
exactly.
scrolled how I learn this. No doubt I read newspaper all every day. Some my parent, my husband, my children always inspired me that you read newspaper, try to speak, but
Oh.
I couldn't. So
Hmm.
yes, no doubt I read newspaper, but I couldn't understand properly. Try
Hmm.
to, and also my husband guided me that you wrote diary, personally diary, by thinking what daily
Okay. That
routine.
is the very good thing actually.
They were
That is
one
that
paragraph,
habit is
small
very good.
paragraph.
Yes. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah, exactly.
yes,
Hmm.
yes.
So your
Then
husband and kids
I
are
started, but I am
motivate
not
you.
satisfied of that.
Yes, yes. Whenever
Yes, really.
you read lots of
Yes.
things and you write and you listening everything you are doing, but when if you are not doing any practice, if you are not doing anything in English to talk each other like another people, then it will not to be it will not be success because of if you only learn consuming more of data and consuming more of contents, but you are not speak input. You just input more and more, and your output is zero. It will be not good. You have to output. You have to speak. So input and output, and you just grab lots of knowledge. You know, for a reading book, for watching podcast, and reading articles. Lots of things, lots of knowledge in gather in our mind. If we the knowledge, because of confidence comes from knowledge, isn't it? If you have lots of knowledge, then you can speak to whatever in your mind in very confidently and very nicely, and no one can notice your mistake, you know so that is the thing. And you are first thing. It is great that you start your first step. You take your first step, isn't it?
Yes,
And your husband
yes,
are you and
yes,
your kids are motivate you. Am I right?
yes, really.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
the 3 year always motivates me. Now also they are helping me. So actually, as you said, no doubt we have so many knowledge of English. Actually, we are knowing that English words,
Hmm.
sentences, grammar, all this. Without speaking, it is meaningless.
Yes,
We
exactly.
can't get fruitful
Hmm.
result, actually
Hmm.
outcome, I want to say.
Hmm.
So that's why now, initially I feared about mistakes, but nowadays not. I want to speak, open our mouth, because we both know our
We should.
native
Yes.
language is different.
Yes. Yes.
So
But ma'am, to be
we
honest,
give
to
no.
Yes, ma'am, but ma'am, to be honest, I'm very comfortable with my native language, my vernacular language, because of whenever I try to express something emotionally, so that is, I'm very comfortable with my native language because of English, we can express ourselves, but the emotion is not there, isn't it?
Yes,
But it
emotion
is
comes
very
from
needed.
our only native
Yes.
language.
But
Native language.
nowadays it
Yes,
is very needed to learn the English. English is a global language, and It's a fascinating, like people are thinking that it's a fascinating language, and everywhere people are speaking English, and you are speak. If you are speaking English, then you are recognized as a very standard people, and you are a very wise person, isn't it? So
Yes,
people are
yes, yes,
getting
really. Yes, I
respect to
resonate
you,
with you.
giving respect to you. So that is the thing.
Yes,
Hmm.
yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I totally resonate with you.
Yes.
Actually, yes,
Your voice is something
actually,
sometimes
it is the
breaking,
global
ma'am.
language
I don't know.
breaking.
Sometimes, yes, in your side, maybe network is very poor or
Yes, ma'am.
what?
I feel the same also. I feel the same also. Actually,
Oh, my voice is
today.
breaking. My voice is breaking.
Ah, little bit, stucking sometime.
Okay, why so? Okay, I have.
Today in our area, maybe network issue, I think.
Hmm. Okay, okay.
Is it okay? Now is it okay?
Hmm. Now is it okay? Sometimes your voice is breaking and I can't hear you. Sometimes, not always. It's okay now. Your
Okay.
voice is crystal clear
Okay.
now.
Oh my God. Yes, yes. So as you said, that English is the global language and every field we use it. So we should keep pace in our new generation. So no doubt I started my journey for to become a teacher, but now I am enjoying this language learning and talked with several co-learners in different states, and I feel proud. Yes, and because it is the social media, internet helps us
Hmm.
through digitally. I make so many friends in every state of India, outside of India also.
Nowadays,
So
the
I
social
feel
media
very,
is a boon, like boon for us.
yes,
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 everywhere
really.
people are running and earning lots of time, lots of money from social media also, and learn most of the things. It's very good.
Yes, really.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, and as you said, that in more, if we are more informative, we can easily speak. So confidence automatically builds. I agree
Yes,
with you totally.
yes.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
But whenever you are not input any data, then how output is there? How the output is there
Yes,
if you are not inputting any data? Because of you are the you are feeling whenever you don't have any idea, then you are feeling very less confidence. You can't able to speak. You just fumbling. And if you have lots of thing,
yes,
you have
yes, yes.
lots of idea, then you can elaborate this very confidently, very
Yeah.
nicely to other people. Other people can understand your feelings and thoughts, so it is okay for
Sentence,
them.
but
Yes.
yes. It
Mm.
may be in simple sentence, but if we are informative, then easily express our thoughts, share and communicate others easily.
Mm. Yes, yes.
Yes.
True, true.
So,
Exactly. I'm totally
and
agree with
today,
you.
how was your day?
Yes,
Yes.
my day was very good, little productive, because of today I went for doing morning work. After that, I did little bit yoga and exercise. And yeah, like every day my morning is a little hectic. Still, it is manageable. Yes, it's pretty good.
Same here. Yes, because
Yes.
as a homemaker, about my side,
Hmm.
as a homemaker, all homemakers wearing so many hats.
Yes.
I also, my daily routine also different. Like
Hmm.
as you said, I also do yoga and uh, household
Exercise.
chores,
Yes.
breakfast, yes, anything.
Hmm.
Then I prepare practice for
But
English
ma'am,
learning. You
actually,
know,
ma'am, we should remember one thing that, like in a house homemaker and a housewife, like you are the queen of your home and your house. And if you are happy, then every person of your family would be happy, isn't it? So first you serve,
Yes,
first you
correct.
fill your cup full. Then after, because as you know that
Yes,
empty cup you never serve anybody. So for that you have to fill your cup first. Then you will serve another people. That is the thing.
yes,
And
yes.
without vacation, without holiday, without taking payment, housewife are working throughout the day,
24 hours.
down to
Yes,
ducks. Yes, so it
yes,
is
down
very
to
good.
dusk.
Mm. It is very good actually, and nobody can understand the homemaker, but it's her top are very her work is very top. No.
Yes,
Yes.
and they should take care of their health, and they should try to be
Exactly.
in the
They
pink.
nurturing kids, taking care of husband, taking care of in-laws, and the household chores are there. Like in my case, although two maids are coming to my home to do the household chores, still I'm doing the cooking part and what's part. And yes, it is going on. Okay, ma'am, you are a teacher, and which standard
Yes, ma'am.
student you are
Yes.
teach?
Actually, not currently not I am teaching, but that time when I got the I
Okay.
was teacher. I taught 8th to 10th TGT
Hmm.
post. I was
Hmm. Hmm.
SST subject. My subject was,
Oh,
yes,
SST. Oh
and
my God,
that
it's
was
very
very
tough.
beautiful, memorable.
Oh my God, it's very tough subject.
Yes,
Every time history,
yes,
civics, like dates are there,
yes,
lots of dates
geography,
are there.
economics.
Hmm. Okay. And ma'am,
Yes.
when you got your first salary, what did you do on that salary?
Oh my God, that is very memorable, and I feel goosebump when you asked me. That was I can't express that.
Because of
Actually, actually,
because of that is one like it's a very very excellent feeling, whenever
yeah,
I got own salary for my own earn money,
yes,
Yes.
yes.
How did you feel?
I feel, yes, very proud actually. That time, my
Mm.
husband transport 60 kilometer, 70 approximately 70 kilometer far from my home actually. For
Okay.
children's study, we lived that place, another place.
Okay.
You know that Kandhamal district.
Kandhamar,
You
yes,
know,
yes, I know.
district.
Hmm.
So that
Kalahandi.
in Kebi, Kandhamal,
Kandhamar,
Fulbani.
Kalahandi. Na
Kalahandi
Kandhamar is
district,
another side, na?
another side.
Kandhamar district, yes,
Kalahandi,
yes, I know. Hmm.
Kandhamal, Daringbadi, that
Daringad,
place.
yes, yeah, yeah.
Karingbadi, yes, you know.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
that time, actually, I got the check, first check, and luckily, husband also returned home from office
Okay.
place.
On that day,
So
okay.
yeah, on that day, he was lying on the bed, and I asked, "Did you got your salary?" I asked,
Okay.
"Did you get your salary?" So husband actually replied, denied. No, no. After some day, I gave him my first check.
Oh my God.
He was so surprised and very delighted. That moment I can't express actually. And he
Okay.
was suddenly sit on the bed and uh, uh, looked that check happily. Actually, that
Okay.
moment I can't forget. Yes,
Okay. You just gave to your husband, you know,
yes.
your salary.
Actually, that
Okay.
time, yes, my husband and children are there. That's why.
Hmm. Okay. It's a great things
Yes,
actually. Whenever we get salary and something is own money, so it is so,
yes,
yes, it is so spacious for us, isn't it? Mm-hmm.
spacious and very
Yes.
memorable actually.
But in my case, whenever I earlier I used to, I was doing a work in a software development park. But that time, whenever I get salary, I just try to keep it in my side. I don't want to expense it. Whatever the thing is, I just try to keep it. Like, and I love to expense my husband's money. You know, I am that
Yes,
kind
yes,
of
yes.
say like, my money is my money and my husband money is my money. I'm that kind of.
It is genuine that yes,
Oh
as
my
a
god.
wife we think yes, but
and
that
I
time
and
no.
I love to like I love to expense his money every time.
Yes,
Yes.
really. But in my case, that time their school given me check salary, and I want to only my focus was only how to children class 10th children get good result. That
Okay.
was my first experience. That's why.
Yes.
So,
Hmm.
but
Okay.
now I am home, and I think like you, husband's money, my money.
I just my money keep to one side, keep aside, and I don't touch it. But my I just always I try to expense my husband's money,
Yes,
and
yes.
sometimes I gave to her like some money, and every time I remember him that, oh, you take my money, you have to return. And he said, "Oh my God, why you are telling me all the time you are taking money, you are taking money." I said, "Okay, you take from me, and you have to give me with bonus. You know,
Yes, yes.
you have to."
Because that is our right as a wife.
Oh my God.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
And how old are
So
your daughter and son?
they are grown up. My daughter now recently completed her MA in
Okay.
chemistry.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, MSc, and my son also studying in BTech second year completed.
BTech.
C.
BTech from where?
He,
KIT International.
no, he is studying in Vellore, Tamil Nadu.
Hello. Okay.
VIT.
Hello.
Yes.
Okay. He's not staying with you. Mm-hmm.
No, he is staying in a hostel.
Hostel.
Just in
Yes.
summer vacation running. That's why he is coming now
Mm-hmm.
for
So
two
you
months.
have get that ample of time and you think that, okay, let's start my English journey, isn't it? Because of now you are
Actually,
a little bit free from the responsibility.
not that much. As a homemaker, there are so many responsibilities. But
No, no, actually,
actually,
ma'am,
my
mentally, you are a little bit free because of your children are grown up. Na, you are not sitting on them and doing the homework like this. You are a little
yes,
bit
yes,
free, little bit mentally, you are a little bit
yeah,
free. So
yes, you are
yes.
right.
Mm. Mm.
But actually, in KVS, women relaxation was 45 years. That's why I worked hard on it. Also, and last year also, last January, I attempted that regular exam. So,
Mm-hmm.
but due to lack of time, I didn't give that much time for preparation.
Mm-hmm.
So, uh, but this journey now, I feel that I utilize my time properly, meaningfully, and I have to learn
Yes.
this language
Yes, exactly,
now
ma'am.
in this field.
Actually, ma'am, instead of scrolling Instagram, a lots of time we waste lots of time in Instagram.
Yes,
Instead of doing this, see, it is very good thing that you learn something and you gain knowledge, and you are able
yes,
to speak yourself with English, and you are able to express yourself to other people in English. That is the main things, because of holding a certificate is not the big thing if you are not able to speak one line and one sentence in English. isn't it?
Yes, yes,
So it is
exactly.
very good thing actually. You are starting your journey, and
Yes, ma'am. Really,
yes,
actually, no doubt we are practice relentlessly, but sometimes we are posing, stucking in front of.
hmm,
So, if I no doubt I practiced this language, I have been practicing 6 months ago,
okay.
but sometimes I am getting stuck. So
It
that
does happen,
demotivates
ma'am.
me.
It does
Hmm.
happens because of whenever you break your consistency now 1 days, 2 days, you are not talking any core learners and you are not practicing anything. Then after whenever you resume your practicing, then it is very herculear to speak. You know, it is very difficult to speak, and that time you just fumbling. So for that
Yes,
reason, if you don't have any time, you just take your 10 minutes and 15 minutes and you talk with audio call session. Any kind of thing, you just try to speak. In this way, you maintain your consistency. Hmm. And
yes, really,
yes. Hmm. And
really, you are right. And
what
I
is
consider myself a
yes, yes, you
tenacious
carry on.
person.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Please come again.
Yes, a tenacious person and never throw in towel.
Hmm.
Actually, I consider myself as a tenacious person. Actually,
Okay.
never throw in towel and continue my journey because we
Okay, that's
know
great.
practice makes man perfect.
Yes,
So
yes, that's great.
no doubt it takes time, but one day
Yes,
I'll achieve
yes.
my goal.
Nothing
Yes,
will happen. Nothing will happen overnight. It will take time, and like good thing will take definitely will take time, and definitely will be success if you are
yes,
maintain your consistency, because consistency is the key to success. So each and every day you just try to speak,
really, yes,
and whenever you speak, you just try to speak clearly and slowly, because of we are not going to rush, we are not going to participate any
yes,
competition. So why you are worried and why you are very rashly talk to each other? You just simple and calmly talk to each other, and then yes, it will be helpful for us. I think so. Yes, ma'am. And ma'am,
yes, yes,
what
really.
about your
It is a
writing
lifelong
part?
journey actually.
Do you write anything?
Actually, about writing, I like write. No, no, not my own, not my own, but I write. I like to write make any sentence, even
Hmm.
some words by making any story I want. But not like poem, any poet, like not.
Mm-hmm. So you randomly write something. You are reading lots of book and
Ah,
storybook,
yes,
and then
random.
you just randomly try to write something, isn't
Yes,
it? Okay, that's great. That's great.
yes,
Okay, ma'am.
yes.
Oh,
Find some
yes.
words, something. Yes,
Okay, ma'am. Do you have any question for me? Because we have
yes,
left five
actually.
minutes more. Yes, you can ask.
Okay. And I want to know about your journey, English journey, and how you enjoy it or not.
Oh, absolutely, ma'am. A lot. A lot. I enjoy a lot because of I am now English is my omnipresent like this. Every time, everywhere, English is in my surrounding because of I just try to create the environment, and I am very crazy about this. Whenever I just try to end off my kitchen work and I just rush my bedroom and I just take my phone and I start to whether I talking to my co-learners or I listening something or I watching something like this. And apart from this, I just take my book and sit one corner of my home and I just start reading. You know, and I'm very crazy
Yes,
about. I don't know if this is the good things or good sign or bad sign, but I feel now I'm very crazy about this. Every time I just uh, try to talk with myself. I just pick one random topic. Like whatever the topic is,
Yes.
like today I go to morning work. What the things happen with that at morning work time. So these things I also myself I talk self
Surrounding
talking,
around you.
self talking. So yeah, I enjoy a lot.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. I
Yes, it is
wish
very
to
necessary, ma'am. Actually, we
yes.
know to.
I wish to last longer, but time is fly. So we have to. Shall we wrap up our conversation?
Yeah.
Okay, it is.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
It was a very
It
great
is my.
conversation actually, and thank you so much to joining here. And
Yes,
yes,
ma'am. Thank you so much.
likewise,
And
ma'am,
it's my
likewise.
pleasure. And I feel very grateful in front of you and have a conversation, grateful conversation, nice conversation. Yes,
Okay, thank you,
great.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a day. Have a good day ahead. Thank you. Bye bye.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.